Hi, this is Joanna again with another low protein cooking show. I have some pasta duets mac and cheese tonight, and we will be making a banana and strawberry candy cane with that. But for right now, I have already cooked the noodles, so I'm going to start off with the mac and cheese. And let's see, cut open the envelope here because this is the cheese powder sauce that comes with it. And there's that. And still put in the butter. Let's see if you can find it. Oh, that's okay. This one I gotta stand up for. And this is about a tablespoon of butter. And next is milk, using the So Delicious organic coconut non-dairy milk. And this is the unsweetened. I always cook with unsweetened. And just don't want to spill this all over the place. I'm gonna stand up again. That. And next up is Cheese Wizard. So now I've showed off this stuff in another video. The Pasta Duets package alone, which is just the noodles and the what is it? On the powder, is $10.49. This Cheese Wizard sells for $7.49 a jar. This one is a partial, so I'm just going to use up a lot of this. I'm just going to use up the rest of it. I normally use a lot of cheese with this, so I probably will not need to add extra cheese unless I decide to go overboard with the milk. Grab the spoon and we will mix that up. If I can find a spoon, there it is. And I can already tell this is not going to be enough milk for this amount of Cheese Wizard. So, let's go with another cup. And, by the way, Cheese Wizard is our version of Cheese Whiz. And so, if you can imagine, this is kind of like an imitation Kraft mac and cheese, medical version. And, oops, here, I spilled it all over the place already. And so, take this back over to the stove. Bring it with me. And we're gonna wait for that to melt down. And then bring you back over here. when that melts down, I'll be adding the mac and cheese back in. So there's that. And let's see, while we're at it, we can put together the candy cane. And I have already tried putting this together. So this is 1 banana and about 7 strawberries. It equaled out to be 62 grams of banana and about 39 grams of strawberries. And bananas are higher in protein than strawberries for us. So I'm gonna put this together. I'll show you how we do it. Basically, we're alternating banana and strawberry. So I'm gonna get a plate down here and that's probably good. And so see, this is generally the end of the banana, so that's going to be the end of the candy cane there too. So 1 banana, 1 strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana, strawberry, and I'm kind of angling this as I go. So there's that. Good plug for the Medical Nutrition Equity Act. If you guys can go to nutritionequity.org and sign the petition there, it would be appreciated. I'm going to turn the heat down here. We melting pretty good here. I may want that cheese after all. So, forgot the measurement on the cheese, but here it is. This is Daya, the pepper jack cheese. So we'll spice it up a little. And now I can add the noodles back in. Camera out, and as soon as that gets coated, we're good to go. So, thanks for watching, and remember nutritionequity.org /take action. And follow and please sign the petition. Thanks for your time.